video. All right, we have found something to try and finagle this out with. The awkward little thing that it is. All right. Really is awkward with this.
Here. Oop.
Oh, epileptic seizure. Thank you.
What I was trying to do is free up your other hand. So if you needed to, you could use both your hands.
Okay. Appreciate it. Alright. Now let's see if... Yes.
Oh, here it comes.
Look at that. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. AirTag, made in China, Bluetooth LE. How interesting. Okay. Well, we'll be deactivating this. And me and the dealership are going to have a conversation tomorrow. Thank you kindly.